Blocks with triangles and diamonds often require this clever sewing technique. Once you have your shapes cut, use a ruler to mark an X at the intersections of the seam allowances. Mark a dot in the center of each X. With right sides together, align the first 2 patches. Drop the needle into the dot and sew to the next dot, backstitching at both. This will keep your seam allowances free. Set the stitches, then press the seam allowance to one side. To align the dots, first stick a pin straight into the dot on the patch that you'll be setting in. Use the pin as a guide to align the first dot with the dot on the other patch. Align the raw edges and pin to secure. Drop the needle into the center dot and stitch to the outer edge. Press the stitches to set, then press the seam allowance to one side. Carefully folding the unit out of the way, use pins to align the center dot of the set-in patch to the adjoining patch. Drop the needle into the center dot and sew to the outer edge. Press the stitches to set, then press the seam allowance to one side. Set-in seams are found in many classic blocks, including the Lemoyne Star block.